Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Today is April 22nd, 2026. I am giving a trade recap this morning. I took a total of 3 trades across 2 different accounts. Okay, so this first one we have up here, this is my Top Step Combine. Nothing crazy. This is where I took the loss on. Thankfully, it was not on my funded account that I later traded on. So market open, I was like, I really want to break out of this range between some buy side liquidity we had to start and London session low. I want us to break out of there. I was hoping that we would sweep buy side, which in fact we did. And then I was going to target London lows real quick before we pushed even higher, and we ended up hitting 27,000 this morning. But that's not what happened. So here's where I went wrong. I believe, what did I take this on? Was it a 1 minute? It might have been a 2 minute or 3 minute. Let me check. Yeah, it was a 2 minute. We swept buy side finally. I was like, thank God we're not chopping. Whatever. We had a 2 minute gap right here. Oh, let me fix that. Obviously, we inversed it. I got in right here, or right at this candle. I was hoping we pushed down all the way to London session low. Nothing crazy for like 85 points. And it immediately went to my stop. It was pretty embarrassing. I was live in front of my Discord, but you gotta be transparent, guys. So if you're like me and you post content and you show your trades, you gotta be able to take a loss in front of people. And I handled it very well. I was just like, you know what? I thought that was gonna happen. Clearly, we're super bullish today. I should not be trading against the trend. It's okay. And unfortunately, my Discord didn't see the break-even trade and win that I took later on around 11 a.m. this morning, 10:30, 11. I got off at 10:30, so oops. This was on my GOAT Funded Futures funded account. So what I saw here is we had a point of reversal, and I didn't know how far we were going to go down, but it, I kind of had a feeling we were going to keep pushing up. We opened up a 1 minute fair value gap, inverse that, and I set my stop to the point of reversal right down here at 36 points from my entry. And you're probably wondering, Caitlin, why did you put your TP in this random area when there was, there's no buy side, there's no session, nothing. I put it here because I knew it made sense to have my stop here. And when you do that, you have to make it a 1-to-1 trade. I'm not going to have my TP at this high. I'm going to make it a 1-to-1. That's what I was taught by my mentors, Pat and Blake. That's what I'm going to do. It didn't play out, unfortunately. I did go break even, which is fine. It's not a loss. And that's that for the first trade. Finally, we reswept the internal low right here. Another 1 minute IFPG entry. And this played out. I had 2 take profits. So I put my stop at the low, at the point of reversal right here. 1 minute IFPG, very strong displacing candle upwards. So it made sense for me to enter here. A little bit chop, I was a little bit nervous at first. I kind of set and forget for this one because I just got out of the shower. I noticed what happened. It hit I set like an alert down here if we swept the low. So I got in, we chopped for a few minutes, hit my first take profit. I put that in the internal high. And then my second TP was at the previous high we made that I was in a trade for. So that's how I made a little under $200 today. This is on my funded account, so I'm taking it very slow this time. I'm not going to trade with minis anymore like I did previously because that resulted in me having bigger losses, and it's been a rough month, so it just doesn't really make sense. And my risk management used to be so good when I was first passed my eval and got my first payout. I was doing so good with my risk management and I was trading micros. It was not time for me to move up to minis, clearly. So I'm happy to be back with a win. And yeah, I hope this made sense to you guys. And I'll be posting every day. I hope you guys enjoy this. And ask any questions, share your trades that you took today. I'd love to see it. Okay, bye.